Addressing these challenges necessitates a comprehensive approach to flood management that considers both environmental and safety concerns. Rapid deforestation and uncontrolled land use have been common reasons for flood incidents happening around the country. Every year, thousands of people are reportedly evacuated to evacuation centers after the area was ravaged by flooding, and few lives are lost because of this disaster. Roadsides often become a perilous zone where countless vehicles are involved in accidents during heavy rainfall and floods. They will also cause prolonged traffic disruptions, further aggravating the issue at hand. The persistence of this problem will only endanger the life of many more civilians who are trying to flee from the area. Thus, we are seeking an alternative way to enhance road safety during heavy rainfall by providing visible flood indicators to contributing to sustainable water management.
This is the illustration of our project. You can see over here, we have a servo motor which is used to lift up the bridge. And here is the moisture sensor which connects the servo motor and the street lamp. And right over here is the solar panel. The purpose it is placed at here is to let it can absorb the sunlight energy as maximum. And this is the drainage. So the water will go through here and go to the filter. And this is the structure of the servo motor. This is the limb of the servo motor. And when the servo motor is connected to the power supply, so this limb will rotate, so we can lift up the bridge. And this is the comparison between before float and after float. This is before float, so the components didn't work out, so the bridge maintained flat. And after the rain, all the components detect the water level and all the components work out, so the bridge will rise. After the introduction of the components, so now let us dive into the function of the components. So firstly, the road will autonomously elevate based on the current weather condition, which utilizes solar power as an energy source, and a water moisture sensor will be used for accurate water level detection. This road can now be referred to as the smart Ecobridge. During heavy rainfall, the high water level applies substantial force to the sensor, signaling the motherboard linked to the bridge. This prompts the servo motor to elevate the smart bridge, allowing vehicles to traverse the road easily. Moreover, the elevated bridge initiates the LED power street lights to lighten up. So as the water level increases, so does the brightness or intensity or the color of the light, showcasing the severity of the flood in that area. Secondly, the system repurposes rainwater through a filtration system beneath the bridge. The drainage filters rainwater into clean water for other purposes, such as watering the plant.
The smart Ecobridge can be integrated onto roadsides, specifically areas that are often targeted during floods, which can be benefited from our innovation. So, with straightforward materials and with the cooperation of the Ministry of Works, which are called MOW, are responsible for regulating and implementing the development and maintenance of public facilities, infrastructure for roads. So, we are able to create a fully functional product that will reduce the loss of lives and infrastructure due to floods. It is an innovative and sustainable approach for road safety as well as water management. And it can be simultaneously serving as a solution to the intensity of floods faced by civilians.
There are many advantages to our smart Ecobridge. Firstly, it has the ability to adapt to environmental conditions. The smart bridge can sense significant changes in water levels and automatically adjust its height to ensure safety for vehicles and pedestrians. The system contributes to safer and more efficient transportation networks by enhancing infrastructure resilience. Secondly, the smart Ecobridge can help prevent accidents and damage. By precisely and responsively adjusting the bridge elevation, the system reduces the risk of accidents, structural damage, and road closures during flooding. Adding on, the street lights would also provide a warning to vehicles at a distance to change their route to a safer one.
Other than that, the system of the smart Ecobridge allows governments to obtain real-time data collection and analysis, offering critical information for decision-making during flood events or changing water conditions. Civilians can be evacuated safely while maintaining their demeanor. Overall, the societal impact of the smart bridge is significant. It has the potential to improve public infrastructure, and civilian welfare. The interest of overcoming flood issues is increasingly overbearing, and the Smart Ecobridge is designed to capture a significant share. With consumers valuing eco-friendly and multifunctional options, the appeal for our product is certainly undeniable.
I agree with you, Kura. Our idea could really attract companies that specialize in designing and installing filtration systems beneath bridges. Businesses involved in water management, sustainability solutions, and landscaping can explore partnerships and contracts with municipalities and urban development projects looking to incorporate eco-friendly practices while overcoming the ever-growing issue of flooding in the region.
Exactly, Ajit. Companies can collaborate with government entities to fund, develop, and maintain our idea, creating a sustainable revenue model for our Smart Ecobridge. Once installed, the government, with the help of media outlets, can shed light on the functionality of our product to the general public and will also serve as a good tourism appeal in the long run.
I couldn't agree more with you, Kura.
The Smart Ecobridge is a pioneering innovation that combines technology and engineering to create a resilient infrastructure capable of adapting to flood conditions while also expressing its own eco-friendly water repurposing system. With its automated height adjustment and enhanced safety features, it is a game changer in ensuring uninterrupted transportation during challenging weather events. This system would help prevent accidents and provide a safer way for people to travel across bridges, especially during periods of heavy rainfall or flooding. As we move forward, it is essential that we continue researching and refining this innovative approach to ensure its effectiveness, safety, and scalability for the benefits of our safety and welfare. Thank you.